Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to play Netflix games. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to play a Netflix game, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, simply choose your Netflix profile. After choosing up the Netflix profile, you will directly see the option of games into this home page. Just simply tap into that games option, and from here you can easily choose any of the games that you want to play. Just simply select the type of game that you want to play, and after choosing the game successfully, you just simply have to tap into this get game option and it will lead you to the Play Store. Now from here, just simply tap to this install button and install this game into your device and connect it with your Netflix. Then after doing this very easy steps, you can easily play Netflix game into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.